calculation. So your mind goes in the calculation mode. ठीक है? Side में calculation किया था तो you start calculating. Instead of वही ना आप कहते हैं students are not able to comprehend the question. So same is happening here. You are not able to see what the question is. Question is I was going I match. So rest of I match because my mind is switching towards calculation mode. So I start doing the calculation. When I'm discussing to some particular, oh, we have missed this part, we need to multiply this also. That is what is happening. So when you introduce this in the classroom, students will say, ma'am, give me one more question. We'll do it right correctly now. So what will happen? Next question, they will pay full attention to whatever you are saying, whatever you having done. Isn't it? Interesting. And this is interdisciplinary. English and maths both are integrated in this activity. This is what is required. So such kind of activities you can adopt. So calculation part which I gave you, that you can give according to the chapter. Whatever chapter you have taught, give those questions so that they can practice and write the answers of those questions corresponding to the words. That's simple. No other thing you have to plan it. Okay. So there are a lot of manipulators, but I'm talking about one manipulator, that is pattern blocks. In